Shock, 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 shocks, everybody! So we got some strange adjustable shocks and struts because everybody watching this knows my car needs them. If you've seen any of my videos on my car, you can see how it dives all over the place, in and out of the throttle. So we got some adjustable shocks for drag racing. There's a sheet here that tells you for each click what it's like. I'd be lying to you if I told you that I knew what all that stuff meant, but we're gonna figure it out. At least that's the plan anyway. So I'm gonna get working on putting those shocks and struts on, and I've also got a coilover kit for it that I'm gonna put on at the same time. So pretty excited. Let's get started. Well, this isn't very awesome. This one looks like somebody put it in already. So here's the setup. Got the fronts over here. Got some new single adjustable strange shocks. And we've got a coilover kit from UPR. And then over here we've got a single adjustable shock kit and a coilover kit from UPR. So it's actually a Viking coilover kit, I believe. Well, they're Viking springs, sorry. It's a UPR coilover kit. And then strange shocks. The one thing I will have to do, this little dust cap here will not work with these. This is supposed to slip over it, so I'll have to get that dust cap off, which shouldn't be a big deal. Hit the camera. Oh, how's that for you? Yeah, that's exactly it. I wasn't about to take the whole thing apart to do that, so that was fun. A little more, Sweet Pea. All right, right there.
Right here?
Actually, a little bit more.
All right.
Go a little bit more. Right there.
Right here?
Yep, stop. All right, I need that. Thanks.
I'm gonna go under here.
Oh, holy cow. All right, excuse me.
Here.
Gotta have this back on.
I wanna see.
Got all kinds of parts everywhere.
She's the 55 Ada car.
5.8. See that? 0.8. Yeah, you know what that is?
What?
That's her engine. Her engine is a 5.8. I know.
Can I help you?
Got it. Can you help me with what?
This?
With that?
Yeah.
Maybe. Yeah, go ahead and turn it on there. Keep going. You're doing great. Keep going.
Okay.
Is it really tight? Perfect. Now we'll probably need a wrench for it.
Yeah.
Yep, you got it all the way tight. Now we need a wrench. Okay. So now is when we put this on. You can.
Can I go grab one?
You don't need to. I'm going to let you pull the trigger on the big one.
Thank you. I just got under here.
Watch your fingers.
I'm right here.
Move your hand. I don't want you to pinch yet. All right. You going to hold on to that? It's going to be a little loud. Oh. You're good. You can hold on to it. Pin's little. All right. All right, so hold that right there.
Alright.
Hold it really tight.
Okay.
Hold it up where my hand is. Yep, right there. Right there. See it right there? You can hold on to the wrench. Right there. Yep, got it. It's gonna vibrate a little bit.
Alright.
Alright.
I need a drink. Let me go get a drink. Is it right there?
Not yet.
Oh, vibrate.
There you go. Hold it tight.
That was really, really loud.
Yeah, it was, wasn't it?
I got
Too many ugga-duggas? Alright, now, don't wipe it on Sal. Here, I got a rag up here.
I was just
That's for
doing
wiping your
this.
hands.
Thank you, Daddy. Nice and clean.
Never put one of these together before. We're going to go through that. First things first, they tell you if you do not put anti-seize on this, they say take this off and put anti-seize in here on this. I don't want to void my warranty, so I'm going to do that. Do I think I'll ever use a warranty? Probably not a chance in hell. Not to mention, even if I did, they'd find a way to make it so it's my fault anyway and not, I don't know. Maybe UPR wouldn't. I shouldn't say that. I've never had anything under warranty. I just know that most times you get a warranty and they'll do everything in their power not to honor that. So, whatever. First things first. Anti-seize on this guy. I'm just going to try to get it in all the threads. I hate anti-seize. So I'm going to have to fix that. I don't know if you can see that or not, but there's 3 little divots right there. Well, I ended up using my fine-tooth triangle file. I was able to get it so nice and smooth. That's a sigh of relief. So we're going to take our shock, this guy, then we're going to take our spring, that guy on, and that whole fiasco. Alrighty, now we're going to try to get this in. Oh yeah. I have to put anti-seize on these first. Otherwise it voids my warranty. So we have to take that little nut off, anti-seize the inside of the nut, and then put it on. I should call her. So just one dab of anti-seize on there.
Like, did I get any on my...
No, you're good. It's not on your face at all. You're fine. Oh, look at that.
Yahtzee.
I'm good with the rubber. So we just got to take this stock bracket off. There's that one bolt.
Yep.
Oh, sorry. It's definitely tighter than the old brackets. The old brackets just loosey-goosey. If you guys don't know this legend, he's got a really awesome 48 Fleetmaster. I don't know anything about it. I always say it wrong. It's on TikTok. He's got some pretty funny videos.
Twin snail. Here you go.
Oh, yeah. Hey. Sorry. Is that not? It's not the right hole?
Not the right hole.
How many?
I got 5 threads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and a half threads.
Oh yeah, mine's buried in the hole.
You're right. Preparation H does feel good on the hole. I'm gonna need a 5/8. You got a 5/8 handy somewhere?
All right. Oh yes!
Oh, you were recording that.
Sure was. I was holding it like this. I just went wham!
So how was that experience?
I don't know. It doesn't look hurt, but it friggin' hurts.
What are you doing over here?
You know, just adjusting the ride height.
Just gonna see if I can get you on recording, punching the wall there.
I don't know, punch the wall.
What are we playing with down here?
Oh, we're just playing a game of overfill the transmission until it spills all over, and it's great.
Thought you just filled it till she was happy. Well,
It took like 3.5.
she's happy now. Look at the spot.
Yeah. You know, I don't finger it quite like you do. I'm just saying.
Well,
You get a little violent with those holes.
finger
I like
blast
to
it, just
get a
like I
little
did that
more.
last one. Look, it's right there. It's still right there. Finger blast that hole.
This shit instead of my ranch.
Yeah, but if it's ranch, I mean, that's my specialty.
Well, I was talking about finger blasting your drain plug, like
Oh, no, it's on
on
TikTok.
your last video.
It's on TikTok. Well, that was coilover installation, so hopefully I can find the rest of the video that I lost, I think. There's been like a month in between the last time I worked on it and today when I got to finish it up. So thanks a lot to Mike and Kai. I appreciate you guys. You guys are awesome. You really are. It's great having good people in your life. There's a lot of times I wonder if I'd ever get anything done if it wasn't for the good people in my life. Thanks again. Appreciate you guys. And I appreciate you guys for watching. Drive fast, take chances. See you guys next time.